Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening QR Code Monkey and selecting the content type you need. URL is most common. Enter your destination exactly because QR encoding embeds that data. Once done, set output size. 300 times 300 is a good start, and pick an error correction level that fits your use case. Make sure color contrast stays strong versus background so scanners read reliably. Start with a simple black-on-white test before adding design elements, because readability comes first. Next, customize the visual design while preserving scalability. You can upload a logo, use SVG if possible, and scale it to less than 30% of the code area because excessive overlay breaks decoding. Then adjust eye shapes and module styles, preview frequently, and make small tweaks. Use a higher error correction level when adding logos or ornate shapes, since that lets scanners recover lost data. Always test with multiple devices and apps to verify reliable reads before finalizing. Finally, export and validate your QR code. Choose PNG for web use and SVG or PDF for print, because vectors scale without quality loss. You must test scans on at least 3 devices and different scanner apps to ensure consistent behavior. Confirm the destination loads and links resolve. If you encounter failures, troubleshoot by increasing image size, simplifying the artwork or logo, raising error correction, and improving foreground/background contrast. Make these fixes, then re-export and retest until scans are flawless.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.